Hey guys, welcome back to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the Stripe pricing review. And I'm also gonna break down Stripe's pricing model. Stripe follows a pay-as-you-go model, which means no monthly fees for basic usage. You only pay when you get paid. For standard online payment cards, you're charged 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful domestic transaction. If you're accepting payments from international cards, that adds an extra 1.5%. And if currency conversion is involved, tack on another 1%. If you're accepting in-person payments using Stripe Terminal, the fee is 2.7 plus 5 cents per transaction. If you want to accept ACH Bank Transfers, that starts at 0.8% per transaction, which is also capped at $5. If you look at Buy Now, Pay Later options through Stripe, you're looking at 5.99% plus 30 cents per transaction. Stripe also offers optional add-on like billing, tax, and Sigma, but those come with extra monthly costs depending on your usage. It's also important to know that Stripe deducts fees automatically from each transaction, and while refunds are possible, the original fees aren't always returned. If you process high volumes, you may qualify for custom pricing, so it's worth reaching out to Stripe directly. Bottom line, Stripe is a flexible, transparent option for businesses of all sizes, but make sure to review the details before committing. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.